Ever wished your iPhone would give you a little buzz even when it's in silent mode, so you don't miss a crucial call or text? Let's dive into how to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode, ensuring you always get that discreet nudge. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see on your home screen. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This is where all the audio and vibration controls live. Now, look for the Vibrate on Ring option. This is the key setting for our silent mode vibrations. If Vibrate on Ring is currently off, tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. You'll see it turn green, indicating it's active. This ensures your iPhone vibrates when you get a call, even if your ringer is off or your phone is in silent mode via the side switch. Next, and crucially for discrete notifications, find Vibrate on Silent. Make sure this toggle is also turned on when this is active. Your iPhone will vibrate for alerts and notifications when the silent switch is engaged. For an extra layer of customization, you can even choose different vibration patterns. Tap on Vibration Patterns just below the toggles. Here you can select from a variety of preset patterns or create your own custom vibration by tapping and holding on the screen to create a rhythm. Experiment with these to find one that works best for you. And that's it. With Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent activated, your iPhone will now discreetly vibrate for all calls and alerts. Even when silenced, you'll never miss an important update again.